One of the most frequent comments on my comment section is, Sir, when is the RB assistant notification going to come? Even before the grade B notification, usually I deal with the RB examinations, grade B assistant and all. And everyone wants to know when is the assistant notification going to come. Usually it is a reverse, like when is grade B notification going to come is the most frequent out. But in the recent days, I can see that when is the RB assistant notification going to come. So you want to hear a word from me. I know that you definitely know that I will only provide information if it's something genuine or have a definite source. So you trust my information and I feel out for that. So whatever it be, I will be giving you the answer for this. But before that, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon. If you want courses or classes or all anything like that, you can contact me on the link given on the comment section. On Instagram and Telegram, my links are given. You can contact me over there. So regarding the RB assistant, is there any clues regarding the notification or anything like that? But I can say that there is no such information, but there is one thing that you can consider and think of the RBI assistant notification might be out soon, because the grade B officers, those who have cleared the grade B 2021 examination, so their joining date is out. It's by 7th December 2021. So you can expect the assistant notification after that. There is a chance. And some of you may be asking, so sir, can we expect before that, because there are a lot of days? So there is nothing official or anything like that. I am speaking only about the updates, because usually these examinations, once a particular round is completed, they may soon produce the notification. So it's a very important information that to boost up your preparation and to move on to the next stage. So the classes for me regarding the assistant will be conducted, and regarding the examination pattern, the preparation strategy, etc., I will be doing a video. So make sure to subscribe and like this video, share this video with people who are waiting for RB assistant notification. For classes, for online one-to-one class, contact me at the link given on the comment section. Okay, thank you.